The Yamaha YZF-R1M 2025 represents the peak of Yamaha's racing DNA, merging MotoGP-inspired technology with track-focused engineering, built for riders who crave precision, speed, and advanced control. The R1M continues its legacy as one of the world's most refined and technologically advanced superbikes. Every element of this machine is designed for ultimate performance on the road and domination on the track. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 R1M features an aggressively sculpted carbon fiber body that ensures maximum rigidity and reduced weight. Its aerodynamic design channels smooth airflow across the fairing, providing stability even during extreme acceleration. The air intake flows directly through the center, feeding the engine with high-pressure air for optimal performance. The carbon tail section, sleek LED lighting, and sharp contours give the R1M a visually stunning and race-ready stance, engine and performance. Powering the R1M is Yamaha's legendary 998C Crossplane Inline 4 engine. This motor delivers explosive torque, linear power delivery, and the distinctive crossplane roar that the R1 is known for. The 2025 model introduces refined combustion efficiency, improved cooling, and optimized throttle response, allowing riders to experience stronger acceleration and more precise control. The engine's connection to MotoGP technology creates a ride that is both fierce and exceptionally smooth. Advanced electronics. The R1M's electronics suite is among the most advanced in the superbike world. The 6-axis IMU manages traction control, slide control, wheelie control, engine braking, and cornering ABS with remarkable accuracy. The electronic racing suspension continuously adjusts damping based on real-time conditions, delivering unmatched stability and performance. Multiple riding modes allow the rider to tailor the motorcycle's character for street cruising, track aggression, or advanced training sessions. Chassis and handling. The lightweight aluminum delta box frame provides superior rigidity to weight ratio, ensuring sharp cornering and responsive steering. The Öhlins NPX gas-charged fork and TTX36 rear shock offer race-level adjustability and consistency. The bike's weight distribution and refined geometry give it outstanding mid-corner grip and confidence, inspiring stability. Whether powering through tight curves or pushing maximum speed on straights, the R1M responds with precision. Braking and safety. High-spec Brembo calipers and large rotors equip the R1M with exceptional braking performance. The system provides strong bite, consistent lever feel, and controlled braking even under extreme heat. Yamaha's brake control system optimizes stopping power based on lean angle, ensuring safe braking while cornering. This combination provides riders with confidence during aggressive track sessions or fast road riding. Riding experience. The 2025 Yamaha R1M offers an experience that blends raw power with intelligent control. Every input from throttle to brakes is translated into action with stunning accuracy. The semi-active suspension smooths out imperfections, while the aerodynamic body keeps the bike planted at high speeds. The result is a superbike that feels agile, responsive, and exhilarating, engineered to make every ride feel like a professional race session. Conclusion. The Yamaha YZF-R1M 2025 remains a benchmark in the superbike category. With its MotoGP-derived engineering, cutting-edge electronics, and carbon fiber construction, it represents the future of performance riding. For riders who demand the highest level of speed, control, and technology, the R1M stands as one of the most complete and thrilling machines on the planet.